Hi, Laura the Yooper Goddess. We are doing a product review
Oh, fun.
on mixers.
Ooh.
And I think it's something every kitchen should have. Even if you're not a big cooker, you know, sometimes you're going to make a dip.
Oh, yeah.
Like you said, Vicky, whip some cream. You know, and it's a lot easier when there's a motor.
Yeah.
Just saying. So this is the one we're giving away.
Oh, my gosh. Let's take it.
Isn't that nice? So now this is for maybe a small apartment. I think this would be wonderful for a teenager. Learning how to cook in that. But this bowl is perfect for like cream, dips, and I do believe my pizza dough would fit in this.
Oh, wow.
So it comes with these are metal. And it got the little whisk. It comes with a spatula. Now this was only $60.
That's amazing, really.
And it has a little button here where you push it down. You push the thing down.
Okay.
And what I liked was this went way down in there.
So you don't have splatter?
But it's gonna do it better.
Oh, like incorporate
Yeah.
everything more?
So, and it's got that little release, and the knob seems nice. Nice and sturdy.
That's awesome.
And this goes on there too if you want.
Oh,
to
it's another
stop
splash guard.
guard.
So that for like $60, you can get that. And I know they come in different colors too. But I mean, even if you have a small apartment and you don't have a lot of space,
And
that's
a lot
perfect.
of people don't have a lot of counters.
And if you're single, you want to cook something, but you're not cooking like loaves and loaves of bread. You're just
Right.
doing small batch stuff.
I learned now I just had 2 loaves of bread, and I got a whole loaf of bread left.
Yeah.
And it's going to be dried out before we eat it. But so this is called Kitchen in a Box.
Yeah.
This is our giveaway. It's going to be very nice.
Yes. So if you haven't already, you need to go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. And one of the subscribers will be picked and will receive this exact blender that we just got today.
This was $60. This was $160.
No,
right,
$149.
$149. So $150. Now this is a Hamilton Beach, which we all know that brand.
Yeah, that's a decent brand.
And this one we're going to be testing, Vicky.
Yes.
We're going to be doing a pizza dough in here. But look at these. These are really nice. They're all metal.
Yep, and that's what they come with.
And I love that there's a handle on this.
Oh, yeah.
You know? I love the handle. I have one on this one, but it's a perfect size bowl, really. You can do anything in it. Yeah.
It's very heavy, okay?
Real heavy.
Yeah.
And this is real heavy duty. Look at real nice.
Oh, yeah, you can hear it clicking in there.
And then there's a little thing back there you push to lift it up.
Raise that up and down.
So,
and that also came in other colors.
Yeah. I'm impressed with this. I can't wait to try it.
Yeah. You can kind of see the difference between the two sizes when I've got them here.
Yeah. So this was about $100 more.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So that probably got a bigger motor in it. So now this. So the KitchenAid, of course, is the most well-known brand. This particular one I'm not liking. I mean, it's fine, but I don't recommend the one that you get where you lift the bowl up.
Oh,
See?
I see.
This doesn't go up.
Oh, the bowl goes up and down.
Yeah, and I don't think it goes up high enough.
Oh.
I gotta constantly be scraping down stuff. I'm ready to take my 32-year-old one out.
Yeah, I mean, you had that last one for 32
Yes, it
years.
still works. And I do not, I don't recommend getting a glass bowl. You'll break it.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. I know I would. So metal's the way to go for this. Now, the only advantage you have with this was $380.
Okay.
And that was on sale.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You got this little thing right here. See that?
What is
So you can put on this machine a grinder, a shredder, a pasta machine, and grinder, shredder, an ice cream machine.
Wow.
So but they're very expensive. Like the grinder I got a new one when I got this.
Yeah.
And it was about 200 and something.
Wow. So it starts to add up, hey?
Oh yeah. But yeah,
So that's for really someone who's just in the kitchen 24/7 doing everything.
Big batches
from
of stuff.
scratch,
'Cause
big
I think
batches.
this is like almost 6 quarts.
Yeah, okay.
This is huge.
Yeah.
And that would be fine for me. I mean, I don't do huge batches of dough. I like doing smaller ones because it seems to come out better. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some frozen pizzas.
Ooh, nice.
And we're gonna use the new Hamilton Beach dough hook and I'm going to see how it works compared to this real expensive one.
Sounds good.
Keep smiling.